So our learning intention today is, remember we are doing some revision sessions on three of the main topics that we've been doing this sort of last half term, and they were place value, addition, subtraction. So today we're going to be looking at addition. So our learning intention is, can I remember how to solve addition problems? So we need to think about things like adding two numbers together. We're not partitioning, we're putting these two together. The answer is always the biggest number. So if you've added two together and it's not, then you might need to check your answers. You can swap the two numbers added together and the answer would be the same. So if I had 25 add 24 equals 49, I can swap these two around. 24 plus 25 equals 49. The answer would still be the same. And that goes for any addition sum. So the two numbers you add together, you could swap them around and the answer would be the same. So, the ways in which we can work out addition problems. We have the tens and ones grid, which we've just been getting used to. So we're adding the tens and the ones. We've looked at the 100 square. And a new one we're going to look at today is looking at, very similar to this, the adding the tens and the ones. But it's simply underneath the sum. We can do loops. So we've added the ones together, we've added the tens together.